Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't turn off sticky keys in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Ease of Access Center. Click Make the keyboard easier to use. Uncheck Turn on Sticky Keys, click Apply, click Set up Sticky Keys. Uncheck Turn on Sticky Keys when Shift is pressed 5 items. Uncheck Lock Modifier Keys when pressed twice in a row. Uncheck Turn off Sticky Keys when 2 keys are pressed at once. Uncheck a sound when modifier keys are pressed. Uncheck Display the Sticky Keys icon on the taskbar. Click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Keyboards, right-click Keyboards, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.